The example of data frame. So we initiate the data frame like df equal to pd dot. Again, pd is the import pandas as pd. That pd dot data frame, we are initiating a data frame object, and then this is a null. Okay, we are not giving any data to it inside this. Okay, but when we type to print that empty data frame, that a number of columns, a number of indexes, and nothing is showing here. But when we come down here, again we initiating some list of list. So like three lists are taken inside this, and that one we are assigned to the list of list as a data variable. This data variable is given while creating the data frame. So df1 equal to pd dot data frame, and when we printing the print df1, it is showing like this. See, 0 1 2 and 0 1 2. This is the index, and the columns are 0 1 2, and index is also 0 1 2. Here whatever we are seeing, this index numbers, and by default it's coming. If we want to have specific name to the each column, we can further have data equal to, like it is, again we are taking is a dictionary. Dictionary means inside this key and value, and the value represents the a1 a2 a3 is the values as a list. So this column 1, column 2, column 3, these three columns as key names from the dictionary we are considering, and we are initiating this data frame using this data. Okay, df3 equal to like this, and then the whenever we're printing the df3, column 1, column 2, column 3 are coming like this.